Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can upload high quality images on Wi-Fi only on X. So let's get started. Firstly, open X app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on settings and privacy. After that, tap on accessibility, display and languages. Then you can see the option of data uses. Tap on it. Next you can see the option of high quality image upload. Tap on it. After that you can see the option of Wi-Fi only. Select on it. So this is how you can upload high quality images on Wi-Fi only on X. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.